In this video, I will show you how to send money from USA to the Philippines the best way. So please make sure you watch this video until the end to know which app is the best to do this. So as you can see, I'm using TapTapSend at this moment, and I'm going to explain why this is the best way. So first of all, TapTapSend has really low fees and they have really good conversion rates, also with nice offers. And they're also offering a free discount on your first transfer when you're transferring more than $1. Then they will give you a $5 discount absolutely for free, and this works with a promo code. And later in this video, I will give this promo code, so please make sure you watch this video until the end. So what is TapTapSend? So TapTapSend is a money transfer platform that lets you send money to a lot of places in Asia and also to the Philippines, and is really well compatible with countries in Asia, and they also have options like cash pickups and stuff like that. So let's say that we want to transfer money to the Philippines. Then what you need to do first is you need to download TapTapSend, get started. You can do that through the link in the description, and then you need to set your account to a dollar account, and then you need to select the home tab and then select the Philippines. It's really easy. You just need to enter the amount that you want to transfer, and in my case it's saying euro right now because I have a euro account, but if you have a USA account, go ahead and fill that in and then click on next. Anyway, you need to fill in the amount that you want to transfer, and then you will see the amount of Philippine pesos that you will get for this, and this is one of the best rates that you can get. You can also add the promo code by clicking on add promo code in here, and then you can enter the code that is listed in the description down below for a free $5 discount. So go ahead and fill it in if you like, otherwise let's move on with the video. So after that, you can just go ahead and click on next, and then you need to add a new recipient. So go ahead and click on add new recipient, and here you can select the delivery method. So if you want one of the digital ways, then you can select one of these four. They have no fees, or you can select cash pickup with a $2.50 fee, which is not much. So go ahead and select what you like. I'm just going with bank account, and then you need to make sure that you fill in the full name, the bank name, and the bank account number of your recipient. And after, you can click on next. And please be sure that you match the recipient's name with their legal name and the name that is registered with their bank for faster processing and no delays. So after you've done that, go ahead and click on next, and then you can confirm this transfer in the next couple of screens. And that is basically how you do it. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and subscribe.